my channel. In this video I'm going to learn how to do skin retouching in less than 5 minutes. It's a very quick and easy way to do skin retouching, but it's not the most efficient and advanced way to do skin retouching. There are lots of ways to do skin retouching on Photoshop, and this is like the quickest way I know of how to do skin retouching. So let's go straight into it. So right here in this image here, we have this beautiful lady. Not that beautiful. You look at her face, there are some spots on her face. Now these spots are what we're trying to get rid of. We're going to try to get rid of these spots and make it as smooth as possible. So first of all, you go to your layers panel. You're going to drag this here to duplicate, or you can press your Ctrl J, Command J on the Mac to duplicate that layer. I'm going to rename this. I'm going to rename it smooth. Smooth, yeah. So next thing we do is to press a command Control I to invert this image. We're going to invert Control I, Command I on the Mac is going to invert the image. Then go to blending mode. Then we go to vivid light. Vivid light. Then after that, you go to filter, order, high pass. Now be mindful here, because if I zoom in quite into this image, you're going to see there's some red. If I increase the value of this, that's the radius. If I increase the radius pixels, it's going to look all washed and blurred out, because the colors are changing. Like you have red, it's going to mix with where you don't want it to mix. So we're going to keep the value as low, very low, so as the details. Now the details should be all washed out except the colors. The colors should be the same. So let's just keep this around this right here. No. Just 8.8. Yes, that's looking good. Just click it. OK. And after that, you go filter again. We're gonna blur, Gaussian blur. Yeah, and we have this. You can see your face is very smooth already, so we just leave the value. If we increase the value, we're going to get back our normal image. We're going to decrease the value to get the blur. Just leave it somewhere around 1.5 should 1.6. Okay, let's stay around 1.6 and click OK. Then now you see the skin smoothing applies to everywhere. Applies everywhere of the image, and that's not what we want. We want it to be applied on our face and some part of our body. So there's a quick way to fix this. What we're going to do is to click on our layer mask, holding our Alt and layer mask. It's going to create a black layer mask. Voila, and you see there's nothing on his face. The effect is all gone. Now what the layer mask does is this: it's once it's black, it makes the image invisible, and once it's white, it makes the image visible. So in order to get back our effect, which is this image here, we're going to paint white on this layer mask using our brush tool. We're going to paint white to make the places we want to be visible. So you go to our brush. You can just press B, the shortcut for brush, and on this foreground and background color, you might see this, but you change it to white, or you press X to change it to white. What we want to do now is to paint white on the spot we want the effect to be on. So if I zoom in here, zoom in quite not that much, zoom in, and I start painting over face, you can immediately see the effect being made already. Yes, just like that. So you can just quickly do this. That's all. That's pretty much everything we need in this video. You can just paint all over the places you want to make smooth. It's really an easy way to do skin retouching. Very easy way. I'm gonna give you a quick view. Like we have a, if I uncheck it, we have a before and we have a after. You see the difference like this. So just gonna quickly go through this now and avoid the eyes. The places that are to be sharp should remain sharp, like the eyes. You shouldn't paint in the eyes. But if I make a mistake and I paint the eyes like this, I can erase that by pressing X, changing our foreground color to black to make it invisible. To paint it here to remove the effects, just like this, and done. So I'll take it back to white, paint over places I want the effect to be on, like the chin. Don't paint over the lips and the teeth and beneath the nostrils. You shouldn't paint over that, just paint on the skin, places that should be smooth, like this. And that's pretty much everything about this video. Now think about done. It's a very quick way. I know I spent more than 5 minutes though, but I'm just a tutorial video and I just trying to explain, give you a brief explanation of how to do this. So there we have it. We have our image here, and we can also try this one. Let's get rid of this. Get rid of this right here. See? So we have a before and we have a after. That's a very cool and easy way to do skin retouching for you. So there you have it, guys. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you leave a like and do comment on this comment section to let me know what you think about the video, and subscribe to and turn on notifications to never miss an update on videos like this. Thank you very much and bye.